In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stunning infographics in one click in the Google Gemini Windows app. We're keeping this simple and fast. The magic here is all in the prompt you type, because a clear, well-structured prompt tells Gemini exactly what to design and how to present it. So, in the prompt bar, paste this exactly as I'm saying it. Create a clean, visually appealing infographic about 10 daily habits that improve mental health. Use a modern layout with icons, bold headings, and a calming color palette. Keep the text concise, with key tips, short explanations, and clear sections, optimized for social media sharing. Let's break down why this prompt works so well. First, we name a specific topic. 10 daily habits that improve mental health. Specificity gives the app a clear target, so it knows you want a list-style infographic, not a long article. Next, we ask for a modern layout with icons and bold headings. That guides the visual structure. Icons for quick scanning, headings for hierarchy. Then we set the mood with a calming color palette, which helps the final design feel cohesive and on-brand for a wellness topic. Finally, we ask for concise text, short explanations, and clear sections, and we add that it should be optimized for social media. That encourages clean blocks, scannable tips, and a format likely to fit common aspect ratios used on platforms. Once the prompt looks good, press Enter. That's the one click that does the heavy lifting. Hitting Enter sends the full set of instructions at once, which reduces back and forth and helps the app generate a complete, polished layout right away. Now, wait for a moment while the app does its thing. During this brief pause, Gemini is translating your instructions into a visual plan, crafting headings, pairing each habit with an icon, organizing sections so they're easy to read, and applying a color palette that feels calm and consistent. Expect the text to be tight and purposeful, since we specifically asked for concise tips with short explanations. The social media-friendly part nudges the design toward clarity, contrast, and balance, so it looks great on a feed and remains legible on smaller screens. That's it. You composed a strong, design-aware prompt, you pressed Enter, and you gave the app a few moments to build. This workflow is repeatable for almost any topic. Simply change the subject line in the prompt while keeping the formatting guidance. With one clear prompt and a single click, you're generating a clean, modern infographic ready for sharing.